I'm about to tell you something that sounds illegal, but it's 100% legal. I started a business with $0. No savings, no investors, nothing. And by the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how I made my first million from it, step by step. This isn't some theory. I actually did this. Stay with me because at the end, I'll reveal the exact platform where I made my first million, something no one is talking about. Most people think you need money to start a business. That's a lie. The truth is you don't need money. You need a loophole. And the loophole is this. Instead of investing your own money, make other people fund your business. This is what big corporations, billionaires, and the smartest entrepreneurs do. And today, I'm showing you how to do it, step by step. Here's the simple formula I used. Step 1. Find a problem that people desperately need solved. Forget selling random products. Look for pain points. People pay big money for urgent solutions. Step 2. Sell the solution before you create it. Instead of wasting money up front, get customers first. Offer a service, a digital product, or an experience that doesn't require inventory. Use a landing page, a simple post, or even a cold email. Step 3. Use their money to deliver the product. If nobody pays, you haven't lost anything. If people buy, you now have cash in hand to fulfill the offer. Sounds simple? That's because it is. But hardly anyone does it. Here's exactly how I did it. I noticed a hidden gap in the market. Small business owners needed better marketing, but they couldn't afford expensive agencies. So I created a landing page offering a service that didn't even exist yet. I emailed 100 potential clients, offering to help them get more customers. And guess what? People paid up front. With that money, I hired freelancers to do the work, kept the profit, and scaled. That's how I made my first million, with $0 up front. And the craziest part? I never spent a dime of my own money. This works because it flips the traditional business model upside down. Instead of 1. Spending money first, 2. Hoping to make sales later, you do the opposite. 1. Get paid first, 2. Then spend money to deliver the product. This is how Amazon, Tesla, and big companies operate, but nobody teaches this. Now here's the kicker. You can do this in any industry. And in my next video, I'll show you 3 businesses you can start today using this method, without any money. So hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop a comment below. If you had to start a business with $0 today, what would it be? I'll personally reply to the best ones. See you in the next video.